Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gerald and I am going to talk to you guys today about Mixcraft 8 and what it does. It's a recording studio, basically, built into your computer. So the first thing that pops up is this right here. If I just sort of set it as default 4.4 because I hardly ever use anything else, I was just sort of coming up with something on the fly here to show you guys how to kind of more or less record with it. Actually, I should probably set this up so that you guys can all hear it. Yeah, I think that'll work still. So let's try and record something here. I think I found my tempo. Right at 9, okay. So so on the ninth bar here, 9 to 10, that's the ninth bar right here. So we played 8 full bars at. What are we gonna come up with for a second part here? Okay, I just thought of something really cheesy to go at the end of that. Let's see here. Something like that. Look. Might not all sound too bad, but we'll see. Okay, well anyways, let's start adding some effects to all that. I'm just gonna go shred now. And it all just sounds super shreddy. Oh my god, it's making my ears bleed. Let's just go ahead and edit that. So at the top, these are all the like presets. So let's find some. We want something kind of clean. So mood, clean. Yeah, that sounds kind of cool. It's sounding kind of distorted. So let's see here. bass guitar. And I'm playing it backwards. It's a right-handed bass, and I am left-handed, so I'm playing it left-handed, and it's a right-handed bass. So let's figure this fun stuff out here. Okay, so here it goes here. Let's try, I'm gonna just go record up to the 9th bar, and this is the wonderful thing about using a tempo meter and using like 80 beats per minute. So now I can actually like stop recording right here and then start recording again and get my parts like nice and tight, you know? Okay, now I might be able to just smudge in another piece right here at bar 16 and on. I think I did it. See, now, because I used a timer and a tempo, it's really easy to just cut, stop, and like stop and start at to really fart around with that to get good sounds there. Okay. So get that bass here. To mention, I undocked this EQ so you guys can see that because it was behind here. And this is how you kind of mix your bass and everything. Ooh, I got a little sloppy there with the bass. Yeah, so yeah, definitely leave it in the comments below. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video.